Hi. So we have this simple question. This is a common entrance question. And if y minus 5 equals to 3, what is y square? I find out that a lot of pupils struggle with collecting like terms. So we are just going to explain how to collect like terms here, and we'll find our y square. So let's go. So the question is, if y minus 5 equals to 3, what is y square? Our job now is to look for what is y. After getting what y is, then we can now go ahead to find what y square is. Now, how do we find y? Let me write it out. Y minus 5 equals to 3. Now, I want you to understand something here. Y minus 5 is an entity on its own, right? 3 is also an entity on its own. Now, these two entities are separated by this equality sign, right? So we have y minus 5 together as a whole, present at this left side. Then we have 3 alone at this right side. Both of them are separated by this equality sign. Now, the question is, how do I look for y? The first thing you must note is, I cannot solve y minus 5. It's impossible, right? Y is a letter, 5 is a number, minus 5 is a number, right? So there is no way I can solve this. Y minus 5, I can't solve it. So what do? I realize that I have a number here, which is minus 5, and I have a number here, which is 3. And the two of them are not together. They are separated by this equality sign. This equality sign is separating this entity from this entity. So what do? I want to move this minus 5. You see this minus 5? I want to carry it and throw it and let it move. I'll tell it to pack its bag and luggage. So yeah, let us go. Let us move. We'll travel. We'll come and meet 3 here. Right? I'll say that again. I want to carry minus 5 from here. I want to remove it. Cross over this equal sign. Then come here and meet 3 here. Do we understand now? Now, if I remove this minus 5 away from here, I take it away. What will remain? It will remain only y. That's my goal. Right? My goal is to remove this minus 5, cross it over this equality sign, bring it to meet 3 here, so that at the end of the day, only y will remain at this side of the equality sign, right? Now, when I move this minus 5, anytime I am crossing over this equality sign, my minus will change to plus. Same thing goes for plus. If it was plus, that's what here. As I move it, it will turn to minus. But since it is minus that is here, as I move it over this equality sign, right? As I move it over this equality sign, it changes to plus. So when I move this minus 5, what do I have left here? Y, right? I've already moved this. I'm bringing it here, right? Equals to 3. So when I move minus 5, crossing over this equality sign to this side, it becomes plus 5, right? So at the end of the day, now we see that y is alone at this side of the equality sign, while at this side of the equality sign, we have 3 plus 5. And we all know that we can solve 3 plus 5, right? So our y equals to what? 8. Good. Now, the question is find y square. So we are not entirely there yet. So if y is 8, our y square will be what? 8 square, which is what? 8 times 8, which is what? 64. That's it. I hope you understand. Thank you. Kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to make it grow and to, enlarge its views, so that other children and other people can learn from this. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.